Hello students, welcome to yet another class of accountancy ISC class 12 chapter number 7 issue of debentures. So we have completed all the topics of this lesson. Only one topic was not covered under practical question, which we are going to cover in this lecture. Rest all the topics are been explained and question related to those topics have been completed. Okay, so what is the topic which we are going to cover today is interest on debentures. We know that interest is payable. Okay, all the explanation related to this concept is being taught to you already. Only we are going to discuss the question. Okay, so read with me question number 19. On 1st April 2015, KK Limited issued 500. Okay, number of debenture 500. Rate of interest is 9%. 9% debentures of rupees 500 each at a discount of 4%. Is this clear? So discount of 4%, that means 20 rupees, isn't it? Rupees 20. And on how many debentures? 500. That means the total amount of discount is, yes, 10,000. Is this clear? And redeemable at a premium of 5% after 3 years. Okay, so 5% of 500. Okay, so the total amount of loss on issue of debentures is 12,500, or you can say premium on redemption of debentures. Is this clear? Now, so we have to pass the journal entries of issue or debentures and debentures interest. Assuming that interest is payable on 30, as I told you, half yearly it is paid. So the rate is 9% and the TDS is 10%. What is this TDS? See, when the expenses are to be paid, and who will receive this? Debenture holder. So we have to pay to debenture holder. So TDS means that tax deducted at source. This amount we deduct and give the remaining amount to the debenture holder. The amount which is deducted is deposited to the government as tax. Okay, so as soon as the income, actually the concept of income tax act is applicable here. So you just understand the amount before going to debenture holder. The company cut a certain amount, or you can say deduct a certain amount, and that is deposited to the government as tax. Okay, I'll show you the journal entry. The company closes its books on 31st March every year. You have to pass the journal entry and ignore the loss, writing of the loss. Okay, this was asked in CBSE 2017 Delhi. Okay, so we are going to solve this question. Yes, journal entries only of interest I will show you, means entire solution I will give, but I will explain only. So this will be the entry on 1st April, see the date, 2015. Bank account debit to 9%, debenture application and allotment account, and we have calculated the amount of discount as well. See, 10,000 the amount. This is discount on issue of debentures. Okay, these entries are very familiar to you. We are doing this since the starting of the chapter. Then this is loss on what? Loss on issue, that means when we are paying extra money at the time of redemption, will show it as loss in the current year or the year in which debentures are issued, because of the concept of conservatism. I have already explained this, why we are passing at the time of issuing the debentures. Now, so these all the three entries you have passed. Okay, amount is 12,500. Now for interest entry, see, since it's a expense of the company, that's why it is debited. So interest on debentures account debit to debenture holders, because debenture holders will get the amount, and to TDS account. TDS is tax deducted at source. Okay, this is deposited to the government in the form of tax. Is this clear? So the amount, how we are going to calculate this amount? The amount of debentures issued was 2,50,000 face value, and on it 9% debentures, okay, into 6/12, because half yearly it is paid. Is this point clear to you? 2,50,000 face value of debentures issued into 9%. See the rate written. Okay, then for 6 months, so 6/12. Clear? Okay, so the total amount payable is 11,250. See, and will deduct how much? 10%. So 10% of 11,250 is 1125. That will be deducted as TDS. Okay, and debentures holder will get the remaining amount, that is 10,125. Being interest on debentures payable, this is the entry for due of interest. Now we'll pay to debenture holders, and will deposit with the bank for making the payment to the government for TDS, and the amount is given by the company, so to bank account. Is clear? Debenture holders account debit, TDS account debit to bank account. Okay, being interest paid and TDS deducted at a rate of 10%. Now the same two entries will be passed at the year end. See, and with the same amount. Interest on debentures account debit to debenture holders account and to TDS. Clear? Same entry, same as above. Yes, the next entry will also be the same, but it will be debenture holders account debit, TDS account debit to bank. Okay, see, only the time it will be passed at the end of the accounting year. Okay, now since this is the expense, interest on debentures, so 11,250, then 11,250, that means total 22,500 will be transferred to statement of P&L account for writing off the expense. Okay, see, statement of P&L account debit to interest on debentures account, being interest on debentures written off 22,500. Okay, 11,250 plus 11,250, total 22,500, isn't it? So here we complete the solution as asked by the question, but we are passing this as voluntary service. This is writing of the loss. Okay, writing of the loss. So this portion is not asked in the question, but we are giving as a voluntary service. Okay, so and you know how to write it off. Statement of P&L account debit to discount on issue of debentures to loss on issue of debentures account. Okay, so with this we end the chapter number 7. So your 3 chapters are completed. You have to complete the question up to question number 27 of this chapter and illustrations as well. Okay, you have to practice the questions and illustrations sincerely. Okay, my dear student, see, you have to utilize this time very efficiently and effectively. Okay, don't waste your time. We don't know when the school is going to reopen, but till that time you cannot sit and wait, okay, and waste your time. So you have to study all the subjects, you have to complete all the homeworks, your project works, okay, and you have to stay safe, you have to be healthy, okay, by practicing good habits. So my dear students, do complete your homework. We'll meet in the next lecture and we'll start chapter number 9. Okay, we will skip chapter number 8 and we will do chapter number 9 in the next lecture. Okay students, bye bye, take care.